When printing fabric and textiles on your Canon Colorado, proper preparation is essential. Flexible textiles can be difficult for the printer to grip and guide, so adding a rigid leader strip, such as banner material, provides the structure needed for smooth feeding. Let's walk through the process step by step. Starting at a clean work table, align your pre-cut banner strip with the leading edge of the fabric roll. Take a piece of masking tape slightly longer than the width of the media. Carefully lift the fabric and banner strip. Place the tape with the adhesive facing up underneath the assembly. Then gently lower the fabric and banner strip onto the tape so it adheres smoothly. Next, attach another strip of tape across the top side of the fabric and leader, spanning the full width. Trim any excess tape along the edges so it lies flat. For added stability, place a vertical strip of tape about 1 foot long in 3 positions along the leading edge: the center, left side, and right side. Finally, roll the leader strip back onto the fabric roll carefully, keeping everything aligned and ready to transport to the printer. With the rigid leader properly attached and aligned, you're ready to load the roll into the printer. Open the media drawer and place the fabric roll onto the loading station. Pull the lever to open the clamp and remove the media shaft. Insert the shaft into the core of the roll and secure it with the grip lock if necessary so the roll cannot shift during printing. Place the media with shaft back into the drawer. For textiles, always load the roll in position 2 with the media flap on top and pointing towards you. Now manually rotate the roll so the rigid leader feeds underneath the core in position 1 and then into the metal paper guide. Continue turning until the printer automatically detects the media, indicated by a beeping sound. With the media aligned, slide the media drawer shut. Finally, go to the operator panel. Make sure that the panel indicates roll position 2, then select the correct media type and enter the exact material width. Once confirmed, press Save. Next, press Feed. Next, press the Output tab and select Forward as the media transport direction. Then press Start. Before starting your print job, attach the material to the take-up reel. Pull the leader forward so it reaches the take-up core. Align the media evenly across the core and secure it using tape to maintain alignment. Place the tension bar into its holders over the media to support the weight of the material and prevents bowing as the print progresses. Unlock the tension lever and press Complete on the operator panel. The take-up unit will lower and the winding motor will engage. Continue to advance the leader until it reaches the take-up reel. By preparing the roll properly, feeding the media straight, and securing it to the take-up reel, you ensure smooth operation, protect the printer, and produce consistent, high-quality results from your Canon Colorado.